Yun. Hello. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Break na tayo, guys. Magbiyahe na tayo, guys. So, kaninang madaling araw, guys, lumabas tayo, no? Umuwi tayo, guys, ng mga 9 ata siguro yun, no? So, ngayon, guys, balik na tayo, guys. May first booking na po tayo, guys. No, ito, guys. May first booking tayo, guys, this afternoon. Abang-abang later, guys, no. May pondo na tayo, guys, na bookings kaninang madaling araw hanggang alas 9 kaninang umaga. So ngayon, ito po, guys, time check. Yan, 3:20. Let's go. First booking this afternoon. Hello, guys, good evening. Tapos na tayo magbiyahe, guys, no? Pauwi na tayo. Itong gabi, guys, wala nang bookings. Kaninang hapon, around 3:30 PM ata start tayo ulit, no? So hanggang ngayon, kaninang madaling araw, naka 25 rides tayo, guys, no? Saka yung total earnings natin, guys, ito, guys, papakita ko, guys. And guys, time check 11:54. We have 25 rides, guys, no? Guys, for the total of 4,928, guys. First time ulit, guys, no? Kung hindi tayo lumabas kaninang madaling araw, hindi tayo naka 4.9. So thanks, guys, for watching and supporting. God bless. Good night.